So I'm legit up in the hills of Irish Town, going to get something to eat. So I'm testing out the Viltrox 13 1.4 on the Fuji X H2, and I don't know how this looks, right? So yo, all I know that this lens is super wide. So I'm actually going to test out the lens autofocus and yo, see how fast it focus. This is like the perfect vlogging lens for any Fuji camera. You get me? But typically everybody shooting on the Fuji X-H2S, but I'm just using the X-H2 because like I love the price. You get me? The quality is still amazing. You get me? So I'm actually going to see how good is this lens. Yo, this lens really good. Yeah, it's really good. Alright, oh, picks up my eyes really fast. Alright, so let's go for food. So I'm actually going to switch to my wireless mic instead of using the Top Gun. So I'm going to switch to my wireless mic instead of using the shotgun microphone on this, because like, you know, I want the audio to be really good. You get me? So let me switch over the mic, and because of where I'm going, I know that more than likely they're going to be playing some form of music, and I want to be like very discreet as possible. You get me? So I feel so hungry, so I'm actually going to head up to Cafe Blue and get something to eat. I don't know what I want to eat as yet, but I know that whatever I want to eat, them have it. Alright, so I've shit, this not focus a bit. Is it focused? Is it focused yet? No, not yet. Focus on me. Focus. Okay, there you go. Okay, I don't know what happened a while ago. Alright, time to head up to this place. Unfortunately, what I came up here for, the place is closed. So yeah, the lunch place is closed. So I have to just get some like waffles and stuff like that. Yeah.
Americano coffee?
Yeah.
Pleasant evening. So the black water?
Yeah.
1,090.
Thing I realized with the lens so far is like each time, like if I shut off the camera and then start it, like if you can look right now, it's like doesn't really pick up focus that fast. I don't know if it's the ND filter. So it's gone again. I don't know if it's the ND filter. Like it keeps on going in and out. Like the focus. Yeah, it doesn't really focus that. So it just start picking up my face and everything now. So yeah, but this lens actually works okay. You get me? I guess it's not the best. Okay, so what's next? I'm supposed to link with my friend Dane Visuals. I don't know when that is going to be. So I legit had to like shoot over back this portion of the video because like I just shot like 10 minutes. See, the lens is super wide and nice, but when it comes down to like the autofocus and picking up my face, it's not really working out for me. So let me put on my glasses and see if it works out. Because like I don't know if it's the glasses or something of the sort, but it's not picking up my face. You get me? I'm like, yo, talking. Now let me take off the glasses. Right, so I love the lens. I love the width of the lens and everything. I love the fact that I can get everything in the frame that I want to be in the frame, right? But the fact that it's not focusing on my face like what I'm expecting it to. Yeah, it seems as if it's jumping focus. But even though I'm shooting at 1.4, but I'm like, why have a lens and not shoot wide open? You get me? Because you know that a lot of person love to see that deep bokeh delicious background. See, I lost my face, so like side profile, it's not really picking up my face. It's picking up my face right now. I'm so confused about this lens. Like, why is it so wide and nice? And Yeah, it doesn't really pick up the face that, but just picked it up. Damn. But as I was saying, I'm actually going to go home, and hearing from my friend Dane Visuals. I'm going to go home. Well, if I don't reach home in time, or if I don't reach home for now, it's just that I linked up with my friend Dane, you get me? But I'm trying to figure out how best I can use this lens. Oh, God. I'm hating how slow this focus. Damn. Damn. But one of the main key things that I love about shooting with wide angle lens when it comes down to vlogging is just that, yo, you know, getting everything in the frame, and when your camera, oh my God, it's so annoying. And when your camera, you know, supports like IBIS and stuff like that, it's easier to, what should I say, this stabilization seems very better with wide angle lens compared to, you know, those tight prime lens like a 35 or 24, something like that. But 24 is like perfect, but this 13 is super wide, so you probably get a nice little stabilization. I don't know what it looks like. I probably wanna go in the, you know, editing room and see what it looks like. But you know, this autofocus thing is really annoying. So I really don't want to go to like 1.8 or f2 or something like that. I'm like, no, that defeats the purpose of shooting 1.4 because of an ND filter. You get me? So I'm actually here waiting on my friend Dane. I actually got back to him. Right, so I'm trying to understand why do I have to continuously, like, you know, tap focus to where I want the focus to be for this part. Because right now, to stop the focus, to keep the focus right here, keep it real nice and sharp. Well, I guess this is some of the, you know, the downfall to using these type of lens. But I don't think Fuji just hasn't mastered like the ultimate focusing camera as yet, like a Sony, you get me? So yeah, but I like the colors that I'm getting from this, you know, this lens so far, because like looking at it right now, because the Fuji X H2 and also the X H2S has like RX 709 gamma assist, where I can actually see what the video looks like, because actually shooting in f-log2, you know, the ISO is at 1000, they gave me shutter is at 60 because I'm shooting 30 frame 4K 30 right now. So yeah, I actually like how it looks. This is really good, and I like the fact that, yo, it's so wide. I'm not going to stop saying how much I love the fact that it is so wide, like super wide. It's like I'm here talking to myself and it's not like up in my face, you get me? But yeah, I can actually sit and just observe how wide it is. It's so nice. I love how it looks. Very smooth. Okay, so we're going to fly some drone over by Portmore. We're going to figure out where is best to fly. So I'm now at home. This is like I never did it yesterday. This is like the third day after shooting this video, because like, yo, I got so busy the following day. So anyways, I'm here still continuing this video. So this is what it looks like when you're shooting at home. This is how wide it is, right? It's legit like 5 or say 3 feet away from me right now, and yo, it's super wide. I barely can actually stretch my hands and touch both sides of the frame. But yeah, it's really wide, and I must say, yo, it's really good for this wide angle lens. Yeah, so as you can see, this is when I like reach for the ND filter, because yes, I'm actually using an ND filter right now, even though I'm inside. I have a 60-watt light right here from Zhiyun, and also using a window light that's right over here, so actually I can have like balanced lighting, you get me? And one of the main reasons why I should do an ND, because this camera ISO f-log2 is 1000, so if I should take off the ND inside, right, let me take off the ND. This is what it looks like. Yeah, focus. Yeah, so this is what it looks like for those shoot to the ND inside, because you know I'm shooting at 1.4 and I really love the 1.4 look. So put on about this ND, yeah, you can actually see like a massive difference. Yeah. Yep. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how fast this thing focus, but let me see. Focus, then come back, then focus, then come back. Yes, I don't know if you guys like how wide this is for like your at home YouTube videos, but for me it's way too wide. Like, and then you know that for wide angle lens, it can't really be too close. Like if your face can't be too close in the frame, because it's going to make your face look distorted. You get me? But yo, this is pretty good. But if you have a wide space, because I like the fact that it, oops. I like the fact that I can see my hands, so this feels like a podcast type of vibe. I love that. Love the fact that I can do that. You get me? So if you have like a wide space in your room, then you know that you don't have much imperfections. You get me? You actually can utilize it like that. You know that you can punch in as close as possible until you get slight pixelation. But yeah, this lens is really good. I wish you could focus a bit faster, but I guess that is it. That is the type of lens that you get. Anyway, guys, I guess that's it. So I'll see you guys in another video. I don't know when, I don't know where, but yo, that's it. Peace.